Andy, let me see, come on. Let me see. Wow. Drinking with passion. Shout out to Macdo.
Shout out to Shout out to Macdo. Best day ever.
Really? Oh my god. OMG.
When I was little, I actually tried making this, but I couldn't. So, guys,
That's what you call drink with fashion. Look at that. It's legit. It's moving. Whoa. Whoa, like a worm in the butt.
hi guys, today, don't mind my son, go please. Okay, so, hi guys, today,
Wala. Go na.
I'm gonna do a straw with
Let's see the magic.
my
Wow.
Coke. So,
Is the McDo free that? Did they give that for free?
yeah, just kidding.
Wait. Okay, we will see.
So we're gonna
So this is
attach
the magic straw, right? I tell
yeah.
them.
And then we're gonna attach
We'll
it.
see. Alright. We don't need to wash it, right?
We didn't wash it.
yeah.
Wash
That is how Mandy is. Wait.
Wash
Okay.
it, Papa. You forgot.
No,
to
don't need.
What?
It's clean.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm scared.
It's just a little sip, okay? So guys,
No, I want more sip.
we're gonna put
Okay,
that
so guys,
here.
hi.
Oh, tell them. Wait.
So, okay, guys, please don't mind my
Patient.
sando.
Okay, yeah.
Don't mind my sando.
Show them.
Wait, I'm just gonna check a little.
Hey! You're in the middle. Oh my god, again. Put it.
Yum.
Alright. We got a situation, guys. Just wait lang, ah.
10 hours
Oh my
later.
God.
Okay, so guys, don't forget the YouTubers are gonna cut this.
Alright. There. We got another one. That's gonna go there. Like that. Whoa.
Okay, put it in my face.
From color pink to color.
Black.
Okay. So you're gonna sip that there, and then this one back to your mouth. Okay. This one from the drainage. Just kidding. From the Coke, and then this one to your mouth. Alright, you ready?
Yes, that's kind of confusing.
Fresh from Booger. Alright. There. Let's see the magic.
Put it in my hand. Put it in my hand. Put it in my hand.
Here ka in the middle.
It's not even in my.
Okay, fix it. Which one would you like? Here, oh. Wait. Okay. Are you ready for the magic? Oh, slowly. Whoa! Hey, that's so quick. One more. Is it working? One more.
Wait, it's not even.
One more. Is it working? Oh no. Okay, fix it. Hey, no, there's something there. Oh, oh my god. Fix it. Is it working? Oh, fix mo.
Guys, is there something wrong here? Nothing wrong. So let's just put it in our face. Hold on. I'm gonna do it. I don't feel anything. How do I even put this in my face? Okay, I think it's working. Oh yeah, it's working. This was for the Coke. I don't know how.
Really? Okay, can I try? That one. Oh my god. Guys, don't try this at home. Mandy is now messy. Just kidding.
I don't even see my nose. What if I put it in my nose?
Where?
What if I put it in my nose?
Hey, no, not in the nose. So where did you
Here.
drink again?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna try. Wait. I'm gonna try, guys. If this is legit. Oh my god.
Tingnan mo.
Oh yeah. I think this is one is for the mouth.
Put it in your dress.
Mm-hmm.
Put it in your face.
Hmm?
Put it in your face. Looks like pipes.
Hmm.
Whoa.
See that? Going down, guys. Going
Wait,
down.
last time
Oh
when I
my
was
God.
young, in a straw,
Alright, that's it,
I
guys.
tried copying this to do that.
Alright. Now, we're gonna save this. Oh, you
Yes,
wanna
like
try?
that, like
This
that.
one, the shorter one is for the...
Okay, put it in my.
Put it in your mouth, like a goggles.
Oh.
Please. Alright. Wait. Even though you're far, let's see. Whoa! Oh my god, so we're gonna make it as far as the Earth to the Pluto.
Wait, guys, look, I have a magic.
Okay.
Guys, we're gonna. Okay.
Okay, guys. Don't blow it, oh. Hey, hindi. Kadiri ka naman. It's enough na.
Okay, guys, look.
Okay, guys, bye.
Wait, guys, guys,
You're
look.
getting gross.
Guys, look.
Ayan na. So, yan po. Another experiment has been done with the scientist, Amanda. Dr. Amanda. Thank you for showing us this. The H1N1, whatever that. Bye, guys. Bye na, Mandy.
Bye.